Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to do a quick update on Chainlink and its valuations against Bitcoin. Chainlink is up 5% roughly, just under 5. I think yeah, 4.98. It's rounded up to 5 against Bitcoin. And we are still above the 20-day moving average and the 20-week moving average. So, um, compared to my last video, nothing has changed. In fact, it looks even more bullish. We're getting a green weekly candle now. For a better part of the beginning of the week, we were in the red, but now we are, 1.6, barely above price loss for the week, and so we continue the march forward up. We talk about the significance of the 20-week moving average. I think that's still significant. It'll stay significant until it's not. Um, and so for the meantime, keep an eye on Chainlink to make sure that it stays above the 20-week moving average. This is our breakout moment, I think, with Chainlink, especially when Bitcoin is at $55,000. It has been essentially moving sideways for the past 7 weeks. Volatility is down. We start seeing Ethereum making its move. I think there are the opportunity of Chainlink to move up. um, the opportunity has never been greater. And so there's a lot of things going for Chainlink that that are important. With Bitcoin keeping this level, um, and Chainlink being above the 20-week moving average, that's a deadly combo. And with that said, as long as we keep the status quo, as long as the market keeps doing what it is doing, and I mean specifically with Bitcoin, then Chainlink has the opportunity to shine like it has in the past. This was a long, arduous drop of Chainlink of about 55% from the 20-week moving average, and from and uh, a 78% drop from the peak against Bitcoin. So we are hoping that things will change and we will reach back to this point in time when Chainlink was really, really inflated against Bitcoin. And so that's what essentially I'm hoping for. Um, we see the 20-week moving average start to flatten out. And so that means the rolling average is changing. Obviously, it is. It constantly does. But soon, if it's going to continue like this, the 20-week moving average will start to move like it has in the past, and that's slightly upwards. But that's essentially it with Chainlink, you guys. There's not much hardcore TA with this. What we wanted to happen has happened, and now uh, the Chainlink checks all the boxes. It's doing everything right, and so now we just wait patiently for the move. I already have my position in Chainlink, a position that I'm happy with, in preparation for this move, or in the hopes of this move. Again, it doesn't have to happen, but I feel like there's a lot of things going for it that it should happen. But I won't 100% with certainty say that it's going to move up. But here we are. This I don't know how else to say it. This is the moment we've been waiting for with Chainlink. We see that the week after the week after the move that we broke above the 20-week, and we haven't broken back down on the 20-week. And the closer we get to the end of the week, the better. I guess the last thing we need, the last box to check off, is to make sure that this weekly candle isn't just a response of last week and just drop back down to where it was last week, below the 20-week moving average. Um, and for now, it doesn't seem the case, but we are 3 days, 3.5 days away from that happening, from that possibility happening. Within the next, 4-ish days, 3.5 days, we could see a really bad day with Chainlink that brings us back down to the 20-week. But as of right now, that doesn't seem to be the case. So we keep it as is. Obviously, if it does do that, the move of Chainlink will have to be postponed right? It won't be happening imminently. It'd be happening somewhere else. But regardless if that does or does not happen, I'm okay with uh, holding this. I'm okay with waiting a little bit longer. I've waited this long. I can wait a little bit longer. And with Chainlink, um, I'm pretty confident that it's not going to do a rug pull on us or anything like that. It's just a matter of time. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.